No, I know, Swag.
I know, Swag.
What are those? What are those?
What the fuck, what are those? Hey, don't call my shoes what are those, okay?
I'm not telling you.
When I was telling you, Jennifer, take some rest. Jennifer, let your eye rest. You were keying, huh? You were laughing. YouTube, Netflix, editing, huh? Instagram. You didn't care about your eyes.
Would you rather pay for sex or paid to have sex? Paid to be paid?
Or be no, I rather pay.
You rather pay for sex?
Yes.
You would go to the prostitute?
Yes, Jenny. If you have to get paid, that means it's your work.
Good morning, amiga. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross, and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be a day in my life. I just woke up. Benny is now in the shower because we have a little errand that we need to go run at the mall. So I'm about to go get ready, but first I'm gonna have some water. I always like to drink a whole bottle of water as soon as I wake up because it's very good for your digestive system. It's really good to cleanse out everything that's already in your stomach. You know, just giving you the tips because health is important. But yeah, I'm gonna take you along today in my life. So this is gonna be a day in my life. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this beautiful day. Let's go. No, I know, Swag.
I know, Swag.
Bonotaleuk.
I swear. Bonotaleuk.
We're now at the bus stop and I quickly wanted to show you my outfit. I had to hurry up because, you know, time was ticking. But this is what I'm wearing today. Just like winter outfits. I pulled these out of the closet because I haven't worn them in such a long time. But sweaters from Mango, leggings are Zalando. They're really from Zalando this time. I bought them myself. And then boots are Dr. Martens. And then my green parka from H&M that I had forever. And hair is a braid / twist out.
Done by?
The done.
Done by who?
Huh?
Done by who?
Done by me.
Your hair.
Done by me?
Oh.
Well, was it done by you? What are you wearing today, Benny?
I'm wearing clothes. Can you please leave me alone? I don't want to be in your vlog.
What is this? This is Houston Records?
Houston.
Rockets.
But
Houston Records?
It's from
Rockets.
Michelin.
Okay, and what are you wearing? Let me see, come on.
Jennifer.
Outfit of the day.
It's a girls channel, right?
Outfit of the day. There are some bros watching, come on.
Really?
Yes.
I never saw a bro comment.
There are bros watching. Kirsten is always watching.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Come on. Show us your sweater. That's Champion. And what is that? Like, and this is fun because it's backwards. So it says non-champ. Okay.
Wow.
Jeans. And what are those? What are those?
What the fuck, what are those? Hey, don't call my shoes what are those, okay?
What are those?
Those are Air Max.
Air Max what?
Air Max.
Air Max.
Asparagus.
Aesthetic?
Asparagus.
Asparagus.
So
Looks white to me though.
You can rub it off.
Looks like, it just looks white.
Okay.
But anyways.
It looks...
I'm gonna go because I need to put my mask on in case the bus comes.
Future now? Mask on.
Yeah, oh, does Future say that?
You have a song, Mask Off?
I'm not that cool. So anyways, mask on because we're waiting for the bus. Talk to you in a little bit. Alright, amiga, we're now at the mall and we're gonna get the little errand done, and I'll show you in a little bit what it is going to be, because something is about to change, or something has already changed. It's not as exciting as you think, but I'm gonna show you in a little bit. What is up, amiga? We are back home. We have been home for a while. We went to our garage to just fix it a little bit, and I also needed to take a few pictures, but it's really difficult to do that and vlog at the same time, so I just did that, and now we are back upstairs. And as you can see, I am wearing glasses. I'm wearing glasses because I needed glasses. I've been editing for hours and hours and hours the last few months, and also like a quick little story time on how this all happened. A few weeks ago, I think like mid-December somewhere, I didn't go outside for sure a whole week. I was inside the whole time, and for my daytime job I also work behind the computer. So I work behind my computer, and then after that I edit videos, and also I spend a lot of time also on my phone. So I'm pretty much I just have a lot of screen time. I'm not even gonna lie about that, and I was always taking it a little bit for granted, but in my whole family almost everyone has glasses. I was always the only one to not have glasses. And then one day Benny and I just decided to go outside, as I was saying before, and I noticed that I was just seeing like a little dusty. Like it just seemed like I had something in my eye, and it just bothered me. I started like checking myself, like trying to read things and stuff, and I was just panicking inside because I was like, oh my god, why can I not read properly? So I gave it one day, and then I think I mentioned it that day to Benny, but then the next day I tried it again and I still was not seeing very good. And then I told Benny about it, and he was like, yeah, maybe your eyes are just going, you know, maybe there's some damage to your eyes. So then he gave me his glasses because he already have like prescripted glasses to try, and oh my god, I went like from seeing VHS to seeing 4K, and I was like, oh my god, there's definitely something going on with my eyes. So yeah, then we made an appointment. We went for a first appointment to, how do you say an optician? Optician? Like, I don't know, like one of those stores that sells glasses, prescriptive glasses. I'm not gonna mention the name of the store, but I felt that everything was going quite good, and I just told the girl, like, honestly, everything that happened. And maybe I gave her too much information, but since I never had glasses before, I just wanted to be honest and give her as much information as possible so that she could help me. Good, you know? But all of that pretty much went left because she ended up like freaking me out, telling me to go to an eye doctor, which is not specifically a bad thing, but she told me that I would have to wear glasses for the rest of my life and that I would have to wear very thick glasses for the rest of my life. So I felt like she wasn't listening to me at all and she was just doing whatever she wanted. And it quite upset me, to be very honest. And then we decided to like have a second opinion at another store, which is called Eyes and More. And we had this lovely girl called Daisy that helped me. I can say her name. Can I not?
Say my name,
say my name. Yeah, I had this lovely girl, Daisy, that helped me. I was very, very anxious about it because it was the next day before I had like the bad experience at the other store. So I didn't sleep very well. I was very tired and just very overwhelmed with everything because I was like, oh my God, I'm just going blind. And you know, like, I don't know. I expect someone who works in a store like that to know what she's talking about. Yes? Yes, thank you. Yeah. Anyways, I expect someone that is a professional to know what the hell she's talking about and what she's doing. And I just felt that... Accepteer. Thank you. Ik ga het doorsturen.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Yes, so the next day I was very anxious and everything, as I was saying. And there was this girl, Daisy, at Eyes and More, and she was just very patient, very nice, very kind, and just as it should be. She just totally changed the whole perspective on like everything. She just measured my eyes all over and all of that, and it just turned out to be way less bad as the lady the day before said at the other store. So I was very overwhelmed with it, and in the end I'm just happy that everything is fine, that my eyes are alright. But that's the little story time. Daisy, if you're watching this, thank you so much. You are great at what you're doing and you're so, so kind. So thank you so much. And yeah, that's the story on me having glasses. Also, I know that it's very easy, especially during these times, to just stay inside and just watch all type of stuff from screen to screen to screen. But remember to give your eyes rest and also to like go outside, grab some fresh air.
Oh, so now you're a doctor?
No, I'm not a doctor.
All of a sudden you want to tell people what they should do with their eyes.
No, huh? I'm not telling
When I was telling you, Jennifer, take some rest. Jennifer, let your eye rest. You were keying, huh? You were laughing. YouTube, Netflix, editing, huh? Instagram, you didn't care about your eyes. Now, all of a sudden you know how to act. Okay, okay.
So yeah, as I already said, I did take it for granted, okay? From when I was little, my mom always used to say like, get back from the TV. Don't sit that close to the TV. You're gonna ruin your eyes and la la la. And I was always like, oh my God, nothing ever happened. I did that my whole life. Nothing happened. And then when it happened, it was quite scary because you're like, I don't know, there's a lot of history in my family. A lot of people that have glasses in the first place. That's not even that bad, but I have an aunt who went completely blind. I have my dad who used to have, I was gonna say sugar disease, but it's called diabetes. So I thought like it could be so many things. And like imagine like never having any problems with your eyes and all of a sudden you are literally seeing in VHS quality, like dusty AF.
Welcome to my world.
Yeah, like
it ain't that bad.
Well, if it happens to you like that, and like, you know what it is? since I didn't go outside for that long and I had so much screen time in that time because I literally was abusing my eyes, I had no idea. It seemed like it just happened like that, you know? So it was really, really weird.
It was weird, no?
Yeah, and scary.
It was weird. Okay.
Anyways, we're now back home. Benny is gonna make us a cup of coffee, he said. Are you still going to do that?
No.
Why not?
I don't make people with glasses coffee.
How about yourself? You have glasses.
If I make it for myself, don't I?
Wow. But anyways, if you live in Belgium or in Holland, I definitely recommend Eyes and More. My mom also goes there in the Netherlands and they just have great deals. I don't know if the deal is still going on, but we had the deal that you had 4 glasses. You could choose 4 glasses and it was only 250 euros. And then Benny could have 2 and I could have 2.
And I want more.
Yes, we definitely want more. So, and the service is just very nice. It's just amazing. So I 10 out of 10 recommend Eyes and More.
Yes.
Just lovely people working there and it's just bomb. It's just
especially
great.
If you want more eyes.
Yes.
Then you're gonna get Eyes and More.
Yeah. So this is especially for when I'm working on the computer. I can wear it on a regular as well. But especially when I'm working on the computer or editing, then I definitely need to wear this one. But yeah, that's the little story time. Now I'm gonna wait for someone to make me coffee.
I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're.
Okay, amiga, it's now 6 o'clock and Benny and I are gonna watch a movie. And after the movie, we're gonna start dinner. So we're gonna start making dinner around 8. But now it's movie time. I don't know what we're watching yet. Benny just went to the toilet. So when he comes back, so I'll find out what we're gonna watch. But he said it's gonna be a very good movie. So I'll let you know what it was or what it is. So yeah, check in with you in a little bit. Hey, come on.
Eat this way.
No. So amiga, Benny and I finished watching our movie and now it's time to make dinner. The movie was really, really good. It's called Queen and Slim, so I definitely recommend. It has a lot to do with the police brutality and like a very beautiful story on that. And yeah, it's now a whole lot later, but we're now gonna make dinner. And what are we gonna make? We're gonna make boerenkoolstampot. I'm currently like peeling the potatoes. And yeah, what did you think about the movie?
I like the movie.
Yeah, it was a beautiful story. It was a very good movie. I'm not gonna spoil anything. By the way, I took a little break from the glasses. I already left them on the couch and just forgot about them because I'm just so not used to it. But I'm not having a headache or anything like they predicted that
You want a headache?
No, I don't want a headache.
Okay.
But they predicted that I could have a headache when I would start wearing the glasses and getting used to it. But so far it's going pretty good. My eyes are adjusting to it. Yeah. But anyways, this day is pretty basic so far. So maybe I'll include tomorrow in the vlog. I'll see. I have to check and see how many minutes I already got for this vlog. And if I just feel like I didn't have enough footage, but I don't know if that's actually true because sometimes when you go to edit the vlog, it's still like quite a lengthy vlog. So yeah, Benny took over and he is now peeling the potatoes, as you can see. How are you doing, Benny?
Doing wonderful.
Yeah.
Actually, we should make a new movie of video of Antillean songs. Cause Amigas, I have a few new songs that
yes, he does.
I'm listening to them all day.
Yeah. He's picking up so good on Wow, on the papiamento.
Benny!
Yeah, he's picking up so good on it. And meanwhile, am I struggling with my Surinamese?
No.
Like, you need to teach me too, you know? You are learning so much.
Yes, and you are learning only the words to cuss.
That's not true.
Okay, then say something in Surinamese.
Me love you.
That's so basic.
But me love you.
Okay. Dank je.
Di nada. Yeah, I don't know much. I don't know. You know what it is?
What is it? What is it?
Surinamese people, or when people are talking Surinamese, they cannot talk about me because they will understand literally everything. But to talk back is very difficult, I feel like.
Oh, it's just like me and papiamento, no?
Is it? I feel like you're pretty good at it. I need to like move to Sue, I think, for 6 months or something and be dumped into the culture, and then I think I will be fine.
Niet.
Why not?
Niet.
You gonna?
Da. Niet.
By the way, yesterday we finished Queen of Gambit.
Yeah. Queen's Gambit.
Queen's Gambit on Netflix. Go watch it. It was so good too. Like, what is up with all these good things? Where did you get all of these from? Huh? They're distracting me. Tomorrow's video is not even edited yet.
Would you rather be broke or fat? Would you rather lose money or be fat?
Lose money, I guess. What would you do?
I'd rather be fat.
Really? And rich, fat and rich.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I have so much weight already on my body. I don't know if I need more. Nah.
You can do lipo.
How much money should I lose?
I don't know. Yeah, you're thinking.
Yes, I need to think about that because honestly, I don't know. Amigas, what would you do? Would you rather
we can do that challenge.
Rich?
Let's do that.
Or rather lose money?
Let's do that challenge.
Right now?
Let's do that challenge.
Okay, sure, let's do it. But would you rather lose money or be fat? Like, what would you choose? I don't know if my body can handle more fat right now. Like, I'm losing it slowly by acting normal, eating 2 to 3 meals a day, and leave all the snacks for what they are. But
we don't have snacks anymore, though.
no, we don't. We started like cutting back on all the snacks. We still have like a lot of things in the freezer, but we're not buying any more snacks because things were getting a little bit out of hand. But yeah, we're gonna play Would You Rather while we cook. Hold on, let me go get the Would You Rather questions.
Check.
All right, we're gonna play Would You Rather while we cook dinner. So, question number 1. Would you rather have to announce to everyone around whenever you had to fart? Or would you rather pee your pants daily? What? Or pee your pants daily in silence?
Or any moment that I want to fart, I need to do it.
Announce it.
It doesn't matter where.
No, you need to announce it.
Or pee your pants. No, hey. I rather say tell people.
Hey, I'm gonna fart. That's disgusting.
Can you imagine smelling like this?
Yeah, I would rather tell people that I had to fart. Oh my god.
Especially if it stinks.
That's disgusting.
What would you do? You would pee your pants.
Yeah, but like if I
would pee your pants?
if I have control over it, then I would choose the moment to pee my pants. Isn't that a good solution? Then nobody needs to know my business.
But still, you're gonna smell like this.
For a little bit. Only me is gonna know, and you probably, because you know everything.
And you think I wanna live with someone who smells like this?
I'm not gonna sound like
Pissy.
Small humble, me dove smell like no pissy. Maar neem je pisje met bij je banja.
Jennyfer Piss.
Nee.
Jij gaat er nu ook maar een piss zeggen. Jennyfer Piss.
No, I would shower right after.
Jennyfer Piss.
Okay, whatever. So what would you choose? You would announce that you have to fart. Yeah. I would rather piss myself and just choose if I had control over it though. Otherwise, yeah, then the fart one. Would you rather begin every sentence with "Hey, idiot," or end every sentence with "Haha, I was just kidding"? This is so interesting.
But how are you gonna do if a cop stops you? Hey, idiot!
Oh my god, you're gonna get in so much trouble.
Yeah.
What are these would you rathers?
I would do. Haha, I'm kidding. Damn.
Damn. Haha, I was just kidding.
But you can't be flirting.
No, nothing. You can do nothing.
Are you gonna call me? Yes. Haha, I'm kidding.
Nah, I don't know about that. Yeah, difficult.
But you also can start flirting with "Hey, idiot."
Hey, idiot! I like you. Oh my god.
No,
yeah, that's
okay.
a difficult one. I would rather be with the. I'm kidding though. I guess.
Every sentence.
This.
No,
so
I'm good with. I'm kidding.
Yeah. Okay, me too. Would you rather be without elbows or without knees? What the fuck? No.
I'd rather be without
this
elbows.
This is very sinister though.
I'd rather be without elbows.
Yeah, because without knees, then you can't walk.
You can walk, but you're gonna walk like this.
Oh
You're
my
gonna
god.
walk like a zombie.
That's so weird. Who even invented these things? Okay. I would also go without.
What would you do?
The elbows. I still want to walk.
But you know that if you don't have elbows, you can't hug, right? You're gonna have to throw your hands up like this.
Yeah. I would go without elbows.
Damn. And if you go on you can go on your, yeah, okay, go.
Okay. Would you rather have diarrhea every day for the next 3 months or be constipated every day for the next 3 months?
What is constipated?
That you can't go.
Can you feel that you have to go, but you can't go?
I guess. I guess. You're gonna be bloated AF. That's disgusting. Give me the diarrhea. Give me the diarrhea. Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna be clamped to the toilet. I don't care.
Jenny,
what needs to go out needs to go out.
You're gonna smell like poop and piss.
Not in the same context.
But constipated looks really annoying.
Yeah, that
especially if you feel that you need to go, but you can't. 3 months?
I don't know about that. No, I don't want to be constipated like that.
This one is a hard one.
You need to choose. Come on. Go with the diarrhea.
Yeah, I will have to go with that one.
It needs to go out. I'm sorry, it just needs to.
I'm gonna take Jenny's line. If I can hold it till I want to go.
Well, that's the problem with diarrhea. You can. But like, if it's right now with quarantine, give me diarrhea, man. I'm at home anyways. At work, that would be really awkward. You need to go.
Would you kiss your sister on the mouth or your cousin? Your niece.
What? Where did you get that from? But is it just like and done?
No, with tongue.
Manny, I'm not gonna answer to this. This is gross. This is very problematic. Who even asked that?
I asked it. Oh my god.
This video is getting demonetized real quick.
Oh my god.
Okay, this is one thing. Would you why are these so disgusting?
Do.
Would you rather have your breath smell like a bad fart or have your laugh sound like a fart?
Hey, I gotta have the last one.
Yeah, me too. The laugh, because your mouth smells like fart.
And if your mouth smells like fart, it smells like poop.
That's disgusting. Yeah, I mean, some people have conditions.
Because some farts are stinking.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I think we have to call this. Oh. Okay, would you rather have bad breath or smelly feet?
Smelly feet.
Yeah, me too. Easy. Bad breath is just a no.
But you know what the thing is with the bad feet? You can get nowhere and think if someone asks you, would you come home with me? No, I'm going home.
Yeah. Or maybe socks, feet deodorant, isn't that an option?
Jenny, you are changing the would you rather question now.
Yeah, but if I have smelly feet, I will just put deodorant.
Man, that thing stinks.
When your breath smells bad, and you'll have a real problem most of the time.
Then I can say also I take a mint.
Yeah, but I don't think that really helps. Okay, anyways.
Let's try it. Tomorrow we won't brush our teeth.
No, that's
for a week.
Ew!
You're working from home.
No, you're crazy. I have team meetings online.
They will smell it through the...
No, but I just don't... It's not gonna look fresh. Would you rather pay for sex or paid to have sex? Be paid? Let's go all prostitute then.
Wait. Would you rather pay or be... No, I'd rather pay.
You rather pay for sex?
Yeah.
You would go to the prostitute?
Yeah, Jenny. If you have to get paid, that means it's your work. You can't say what you want or what you don't want. That was a little reading error of you, huh?
Yes.
I pay. You get paid. So that means if you're broke, you need to do what they want for that little bit of money.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that.
See how your mouth is gonna smell like farts?
Why are you like this? Why are you like this?
Why are you lolling? Cause your mouth smells like fart? Dude.
Would you rather do it in a public place or in your parents' house?
In my parents' house. That doesn't mean that they're home.
True. Same. My mom would kill me.
Or a pillow. A pillow.
Imagine doing that and choking the person. No. Oh my god, then you have a bigger problem. No.
Officer, they just went to sleep and they never woke up.
What is this video?
We were playing who can hold your breath longer. Your farty breath.
Would you rather seal a first date with good sex or with a passionate kiss?
Would you rather seal a first date?
Let's do the passionate kiss.
Why?
No, sex on the first date? Nah. Come on, giving it all.
Coming from the person who wanted to be paid for sex. Oh my god.
Yeah, no. Would you rather have a threesome with your partner or cheat?
Cheat.
Yeah, I have to go with cheat. A threesome, I don't want to see that. I'm too jealous for that. No, we ain't got time for that. Anyways, these questions are getting very...
Benny! Wrong clicking on that!
Yeah, this is when really these questions are getting worse and worse. So I think that's enough. That's enough for the would you rather. Okay? Now let's get to cooking. How are the potatoes doing?
Why would we rather cook?
Let's make the thumbnail. Benny, no. Doe normaal.
Dat is een mooie thumbnail, Jenny.
Nee, dat is geen mooie thumbnail.
Dan gaan ze serieus kijken, die amigas.
Doe, kom.
Zet mijn hoofd goed erop, hoor.
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low.
De laatste oma in actie mee. Waar de tekening is. Nou, je moet een portretfoto maken toch? Misschien dat ik nooit meer op.
Kaas.
Zo, ai. Alasan kassels. Ik wil lukken, zie je kijkt, jongen. Je moet gaan kijken. Je moet opvaren.
already got after dinner. I've been editing quite a bit and I just changed, washed my makeup off and all of that and put on my PJs. I recently did a night routine on my channel, so if you want to watch that, I will link it in the little eye. But I'm gonna head to bed and I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also leave me your suggestions in the comment section of what you want to see on my channel, and I will make sure to deliver. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Love ya. Bye. Mwah.